Hey there, cocktail enthusiasts! Ready to sip your way into 2025 with the hottest mixology trends? Let's dive right in. First up, we've got minimalist cocktails. Think fewer ingredients, but each one is top-notch. Picture a classic martini with just gin, vermouth, and a twist of lemon. Quality over quantity, folks. Next, clarified cocktails are making a splash. These drinks are crystal clear and oh so smooth. Ever tried a milk punch? It's a clarified cocktail with a silky texture you've got to experience. Speaking of martinis, they're having a major revival. But it's not just your grandpa's martini, we're talking olive oil infusions and savory twists. And don't forget the espresso martini, perfect for a caffeine kick. Now let's get savory. Savory cocktails are incorporating bold flavors like curry, dill, and even mushrooms. Imagine a cocktail with umami notes from aged cheese or meat protein. Yes, it's a thing. For those going easy on the booze, no low-alcohol cocktails are leveling up. These aren't your basic mocktails. They're sophisticated with depth and texture, perfect for the sober curious. Seasonal cocktails are also in the spotlight. Using fresh local ingredients, these drinks change with the seasons. Say goodbye to pre-made mixes and hello to dynamic, ever-changing menus. Now let's talk emerging trends. 90s cocktails are back. Think cosmopolitans, daiquiris, and of course, espresso martinis. Nostalgia never tasted so good. Then there's fat washing, where spirits are infused with fats like butter or bacon. Ever had a bacon bourbon? It's a game changer. Asian spirits are also gaining ground. Japanese shochu, Korean soju, and Chinese baijiu are making their way into more cocktails. They're unique, flavorful, and definitely worth a try. Sotol, a Mexican liquor with a bright, grassy taste, is predicted to become a staple. Keep an eye out for it at your local bar. Botanical and vegetative beverages are adding herbal, slightly bitter notes to cocktails. And lychee? It's bringing soft sweetness and floral aroma to the mix. Lastly, tiny tipples are the new big thing. Smaller portions mean you can sample more flavors without overindulging. Plus, they're great for bar profits. So there you have it, the top cocktail trends for 2025. Whether you're trying these at home or out at your favorite bar, these trends are sure to elevate your mixology game. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more cocktail content. Cheers!